It is the most common malignancy involving submandibular gland, sublingual gland, and also the minor salivary glands. The next question in this, if you see, there is a patient who is having a tumor over the palate. So this is a palate related tumor, and this is adenoid cystic detected on what? You can say biopsy. So they've asked what is false. Adenoid cystic is a high grade tumor. Point number one, you have to understand, it's a high grade aggressive tumor. This is a tumor with perineural invasion, and also along with that perineural invasion, it has hematogenous spread. Not only this, it is the most common malignancy involving submandibular gland, sublingual gland, and also the minor salivary glands. So if we see this points, it has a high incidence because of the perineural invasion, and because of this high perineural invasion intensity, it has a tendency to recur. Perineural invasion is there. It metastasizes to lymph nodes. Never. It has a hematogenous spread. So yes, it has three types. We have comatotype, solid type, and cribriform type. So this is clear that option number C is incorrect here.
Subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss an update from PrepLadder.